Live from Philadelphia, this is Fox 29's Good Day.
Hey guys, for years, black women, Latin women, dark-skinned women were told that laser hair removal probably isn't for them. Well, there's a new laser in town, and it can take care of everything just in time for summer. It's called the Gentle Max Pro.
That's good information. I remember we used to have Dr. Susan Taylor on, and she would talk about that, like women for the summer season would want to do their underarms or something like that, and if you're darker skinned, you couldn't do it. So there you go. Jen has something for you. All right, let's get an update from Jen Frederick. Good morning.
Good morning to you. You know, for years, women of color have been told that laser hair removal is not for them. Well, everything has changed. We'll talk about it.
Hey, for years, women of color have been told, yeah, you better not do that laser removal. Things have changed, though.
It would damage the skin. Well, times have changed. You're right. There's a new laser. It's faster and more gentle, we hear.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get out to Jen. She is in Ardmore. This sounds amazing, Jen.
Yes, it's really, really cool, and thank you very much for being our victim. And by the way, we've already tried it one time. She says it doesn't hurt. So, Doc, explain. This is the Gentle Max Pro. Why do you like this thing?
It's super fast and it's super safe. It has two wavelengths.
Okay.
One for lighter skin like me, and one for darker skin.
Okay,
and that's
so
super important.
Lisa's going to start. And in the past, you know, women of color have been told laser hair removal, not for you. Why was it not ideal for women?
Well, we needed a laser that could sort of ignore the melanin pigment in the skin while still seeing the hair.
Okay.
And the YAG laser is that laser. The Gentle Max Pro has two in one. And I think I had the first one in the whole country.
Because you're a rock star.
Because we're on it.
And the smoke that we're seeing, that's cool air?
That's cold air. It's like a spray that hits the skin first, evaporates, it cools the surface.
And you like this thing also because the circle is bigger than it used to be.
Yeah, it's unbelievably fast. Treating like lower legs like that used to take me over an hour.
Okay. And then for people who have already, like, they've gone on spring break, they might have a tan. I know that that's not ideal, but this is the type of thing that they can
Absolutely,
use.
yeah. If somebody's a little bit tan or we have any question, if they're too dark, we'll use the YAG.
The YAG. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, the YAG is a type of laser. It's one of the two types of lasers inside that Gentle Max Pro.
And then talk to me a little bit about how often. So she'll have this done now.
Right.
Wait
so
6 weeks?
About every 6 weeks for 3 to 5 treatments, depending on the area and the person. Then the interval gets longer and longer. Some people come once every 2 years. I mean, it works. People are extremely happy with this.
And then is there anyone that isn't a candidate for this? At this point,
white or blonde hair.
Really?
Yeah, the hair has to have pigment in it to be seen. That's the holy grail. A lot of people working on that now.
And how young will you go with this?
You know, if hair's causing a problem for someone at school, we've treated young kids.
Really?
12, 11, yeah.
And then how, is there any upper age limit? I know my grandmother years ago was
There's
like,
no
I don't want to get a facial because I'm too old.
Absolutely. But again, if the hair is white, then you can't treat it.
You
so it
can't
has to
treat
be,
it.
you know, brown or black.
And you're feeling good? You feel fine?
I feel fine.
It's crazy. And can we tell them why you left your shoes on?
Sure.
Hey, Mike Jarek, she left her shoes on because she was convinced that you would say something freaky about her feet. I said, with those shoes.
I'll say something freaky about those shoes.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, baby.
And so, literally, there's no wincing, there's no pain. It just feels like what does it feel like? You're fine.
It doesn't feel like much. It feels fine. It feels like I'm getting a treatment at a spa almost.
Almost.
But I won't say it's always like that. Sometimes if the hair is thick, it stings.
Yeah.
Like I had razor bumps. We have more nerve endings. I told you that before.
I mean, you're more of a wimp.
Yes.
Yeah, you're babies.
But I think it can hurt depending on the thickness of the hair. But I mean, it's not a big deal.
Okay, can I rewind? Did you just say that you had so you've lasered your neck?
Yeah, because I used to have like razor bumps. And now I can shave like Fred Flintstone with an old razor that my kids are using, and I don't get the bumps.
Do a lot of men come in to get like the back hair and all that stuff taken off?
A lot. Back hair and also like razor bumps on the neck. Men do come, yeah.
And they're babies and they cry?
We have more pain endings, yes. I mean, men are not as tough.
No, babies and they cry.
Some men are tough.
Thank you very much. You make it look easy. And again, Mike, don't say something freaky about her feet, but say all the freaky stuff you want about aren't those ridiculous? The shoes may hurt more than the actual hair removal.
Goodness.
I think that's possible.
That is possible.
And look, Lisa's almost done the whole time we've been talking. I mean, that's amazing.
That's great.
Lasers have improved. They're just so fast.
Back to you guys.
That's cool. I mean, hot.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool and hot and hot.
All that good stuff. Thanks, Jen.
Thanks, Jen.
wonder if I could do that on my face.
I think Mike Woods is a weather person up in New York.
Yeah.
He has dark skin, and he got that done, and it like changed his life because he would
so
always get the razor.
interesting.
If you get ingrown hairs,
Yeah.
I think it's almost more interesting
So
for
by
men.
doing a laser there, then it just makes it smooth?
Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Not to have to shave every day, that'd be great. April showers are giving